December 18, 2021, a landmark day for the graduating students of the PCT group of institutes. The convocation ceremony began with March Past with 55 students representing their 55 different nations. After the March Past, the ceremony began with the introductory remarks by Dr. Gautam Bansal, Director, PCT Campus 1. This was followed by Ms. Manpreet Kaur Mann introducing the chief guest, Professor Rajiv Ahuja, Director, Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar. Thereafter, Ms. Harpreet Kang, Dean International Affairs, presented the report mentioning the recent achievements of PCT Group of Institutes.
PCT was declared the best management college, the best hotel management college, and the best pharmacy college by Punjab Technical University amongst hundreds of colleges affiliated to it. In all, PCT has received over 30 national and international awards of repute. At the end of 2021, we have conducted 20 international management conferences, 10 international IT conclaves and conferences, 7 international hospitality, and 4 international pharmacy conferences.
The moment came for which every student was waiting for, yes, to receive their degrees. However, there were some extraordinary students who received the college colors for their excellent achievements in their respective fields of expertise. Mr. Arjun Sethi, an ex-PCTian from Bachelors of Business Administration 2006 batch, received the coveted Best Alumni Award. After receiving the degrees, the chief guest of the day, Professor Rajiv Ahuja, congratulated the students.
You have enormous opportunities before you. Succeeding in the today's era would require that you are constantly aware of and adapt the challenging world. I would urge all of you that while you look for the jobs and careers in the established companies, do not forget to create your own if you can get a chance.
The vote of thanks was proposed by Mr. Dinesh Kumar, Dean Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, where he wished good luck to the students for their successful future.
And I should like to start by thanking the parents of all you students who are graduating here today for sending us, reposing in us, the privilege of assisting you all in your learnings. We will always pray for your success and take joy in your achievements as much as you would.
At the end of the program, students celebrated their achievements by the ceremony of flying their graduating hats.